Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the Crypto Wolfpack Show. Um, so let's quickly jump into the markets and just give you an update what's happening today. And we're actually in a banner of a trade, believe it or not, in this horrible trading situation, these horrible markets of late. We actually managed to catch a good trade. So let's quickly jump into it. Like I said, guys, we got into a short here in Bitcoin, and we're still trading this. And to me, it looks like, it can't break that top. And it probably looks like we might dip back down to this area over here to our profit target and make it some type of a double bottom. That's what it looks like. If we we smack on some key 200 moving averages, we can see we're below the 215 minutes, we're below the daily 200, and we're also below the 1 hour 200. So that is extremely bearish. If we can't break above those three key 200 moving averages, we're going to continue to go down. So that's why we're in the short, and we'll actually see how the short plays out. What is the bullish scenario? Okay, well, the bullish scenario is, let's move this over here. Let's say it forms some type of a diagonal here. We bounce, we don't break down further. It bounces up, and we get above these key moving averages over here. Let's say this one goes down there, that one goes there, and that one. Say all three converge. Then there's a very strong possibility that we break out of this diagonal and we actually go straight to the 4 hour 200. That is the bull's case scenario. But at the moment, we are just trading the shorts until we actually get a trend reversal. So that's what's up with Bitcoin. If we look at the bigger time frames and take these off, clean it up a bit. Weekly, slightly up for the week, kind of forming a bullish pin bar. Would be very nice if we can close bullish on the week. Bearish, we still remember this was where we formed that bullish divergence, so that is still in play, which is like a glimmer of hope that we can finally turn around and go back to the upside. But remember, hope, guys, is not a strategy. So that's Bitcoin in a nutshell. Then basically, we can go down to the 4 hour and just give you a brief example of what's happening there. We are still in a downtrend, guys, forming lower highs and lower lows. So unless we can turn around here and do going upwards, this will continue to go down. We're hoping this is the bottom and we don't go down lower, but we'll have to see what happens there. So that's Bitcoin in a nutshell. Let's quickly go over to the trades that we are in. Remember, we took a trade on this Whitebit token. Looks very interesting. We're still above some key 200 moving averages. And, this system, guys, is a system that I created. It's called the Money Printer system, and it works very, very beautifully. When you join a trading group, you get that system, that strategy in my free trading course that's worth $500. And over here, remember, I gave this trade as well, and it worked beautifully. This one, just for today, it's up 23%. So this one works out very beautifully. And that is also based on the Money Printer Us, this money printer works fantastic. You'll come back day after day and you'll see me nail trades like this day after day. So let's see if we can get to our profit target. But at the moment, this is doing very well. We can actually move this. This can go to break even right now. And basically, it's a risk-free trade now. But we've got that 3 trades cooking. The other ones on our watch list is Tron. Well, it seems to have found the bottom there, but I'm just waiting for it to give us some type of a reversal signal. Over here was actually a nice trade we could have taken to catch the nice little trade from the bottom of this bigger correction. And that's normally why I like to nail my trades, to get in there and trade it to the bigger targets. And I've done that in quite a few occasions. So didn't catch that one. Nonetheless, market will always give us another opportunity. Let's wait for another setup and see if we can get into the TKX. This one also looked very interesting. Remember we said we'll look today. And this was actually something like this. If you can remember, we said we wanted it to do something like that. So kind of we have to evolve with the setup. And this is now basically the setup over here. So let's move our alert further on, and then we'll look at it again. The only reason why I'm a little bit hesitant on this, I have some indicators that fired a bearish signal on this one. So that's why I'm a little bit hesitant to take this right now. Then the other one we were watching is AI Companions. Moving into that zone, we're gonna have to see if it respects this zone, and see if we can get an entry then. Remember, I said it might even go down to this bottom correction trend line, and then we'll have to see if it bounces there. So we're watching this one. Not sure we'll get a trade on this week. If we look here at the fear and greed, I see fear and greed is back at 44. So we're almost back at neutral. But that will be wiped out quite quickly as Bitcoin dumps quite hectically, as you can see over here, down 3% for the day. And as tomorrow, if we come back, this will probably have dumped back to 30 or 20s, in the 30s or 20s. We'll have to see when we come back. Other one we were closely watching. Let's see what SUI is doing. We're still in this green zone. Let's see where our major 200 moving averages are. We're getting above the 15. The 1 hour is still below the 1 hour. So not too much in a hurry to get into this trade. I would love to catch it more down to this area over here. But we'll just keep on monitoring it every day and see. Interesting that the 4 hour 200 is crossing the daily 200, which I don't even know what type of a death cross you'll call that. Maybe like a mega death cross, who knows. So that's what I'm seeing, guys. Not much else. We're in some good trades. Let's see what this trade does that we got currently in. My name is Steph. I'll catch you guys tomorrow again. Cheers for now.